Okay, actually I started off in 2020 before COVID started at the Macpherson Brahm Centre. I took color pencil course from Poly. So when COVID hit Singapore, everyone had to stop. Then we start going for Zoom classes. So after the whole course finished, I stopped. Until Newton they opened, I started off again. Learning something new is really fun, especially here. I think I must thank like National Silver Academy and of course Brahm Centre, NG, Ching San, who brought this whole arts form, all kinds of arts here that we can have a chance to learn, which is I think is really amazing. Yes, of course, as I say, learning is fun, and give yourself a chance to explore your own creativity through this art form. Yeah, and I think it's really, really very therapeutic. You know, it really will calm you down at times, sometimes, really. I'm enjoying it. All kinds of art forms. That's why even to do homework at home, sometimes it's really, really fun. I especially want to share this piece of work is like, okay, because they have started this new course called Pen and Marker from Sher Ley. So it's all about fashion. Now, fashion to me is nothing new to me because I've been in fashion industry for 20 over years. So this course is actually like a refresher course to me because I already lost touch with this industry for years. So when I was amazed that when she first started this and then she brought up just 6 lessons, at the end of it, all my classmates, they did very well. I was amazed. Actually, I was a bit touched by them, you know, because I see how they do their work. Now, for me, it's like, it's really something that I'm so familiar with. So I have to do well. So at the same time, I see them, what they can do. I was really impressed. I was very thankful to the teacher, Sher Ley, that she brought this whole topic very interesting. We all have fun together. Yeah, that's why I say, hopefully the seniors will come to this place and learn, and you have fun. And doesn't mean you're old, you can't learn new things. You know, you'll be surprised. Give yourself a chance to learn something new.